Don't just start. Don't just start a YouTube channel. I hear a lot of YouTubers saying, even if you don't have this, just start. Even if you don't have that, just start. Some say in 2025, YouTube is on ease mode. Just start. Just upload. Keep uploading. Keep doing that. Keep doing this. Hey, I'm here to tell you that YouTube is not luck. YouTube is not about luck. Never put that in your mind. YouTube is about strategies. YouTube, it's a game of strategies. If you know how to play this game, YouTube is going to be the most smoothest thing you have ever done. You're going to experience the smoothest journey of YouTube only if you have the right strategies. But if you just start, you're going to suffer on YouTube. You're going to waste time on YouTube. You're going to spend a lot of time here, 2 years, 3 years without monetizing. I began my first YouTube channel in 2019, and that channel took me 3 years to monetize it. 3 years. And you know the most weird story about that journey? It took me 3 years to monetize, and after monetizing, it took me 6 months to earn my first $100. My first $100, I earned it in a period of 6 months. Now, after realizing my mistakes and after learning a lot of stuff, I began this channel. This channel took me 30 days to monetize, only 1 month to monetize. And in my first week, I earned over $300. In my first week of monetizing, I earned $300, almost $400, because I earned $307 something dollars in my first week of monetizing on this channel. But on my first channel that I created in 2019, it took me 3 years to monetize it. And after monetizing, it took me 6 months to earn my first $100. In this video, I'm going to share with you the right information. I'm going to make sure that I filter the right things, the right information that is going to help a YouTuber that is just beginning, a YouTuber that is just chasing their monetization dream. I'm going to shape this video in the right way that whoever is going to watch this video is going to get helped. And after watching this video, I believe that you're going to gain the right information. I believe that you're going to gain the right information that you really need to grow on YouTube. Now, before creating a YouTube channel, you need to know the kind of content, the niche that you're going to make on that particular channel. You need to know it. And when you're choosing a niche, make sure that the niche you're choosing, you can sustain it for a long time. YouTube, it's a business. People are making money on YouTube. YouTube is paying people money. And anything that engages money and content, it literally means that that's a business. So you need to know that YouTube is a business. And before you choose a niche, you need to put this in your mind, that niche that you're choosing, you can sustain it for a long time. 5 years, 10 years, lifetime. You can sustain that niche. We've seen a lot of YouTubers that have been on YouTube for 10 years. MrBeast, PewDiePie, a lot of YouTubers are here 10 years, 12 years, 20 years on this platform. And they are creating content every single week, every single day. So you need to put that in your mind, that whatever niche you're choosing, you can sustain it for a long time. As you're starting that channel right now, you don't have audience. But with time, you're going to get the audience. And once you get the audience, you cannot change from music channel to cooking channel. You cannot change from cooking channel to African tales. Because once you do that, you're going to lose the audience. So you have to make sure that the niche you choose right now is a niche that you can sustain for 10 years. And this is a mistake a lot of YouTubers are doing. The second thing, now that you've chosen the niche and you've created your YouTube channel, the second thing to do is to set up your channel. Set up your channel, optimize your channel, and verify your channel. Now, when you're setting up your channel, you have to set up your channel reflecting with the niche that you choose. If you choose a niche of cooking, making videos about cooking, you have to optimize your channel, put in the tags, do everything, reflecting cooking as the topic of that channel. You have to do this even before uploading your first video on that channel. Now, if you upload videos without setting up your channel, without verifying your channel, without optimizing your channel, it literally means that the algorithm can never recommend your videos. And I did this mistake on my first channel. I uploaded videos for 2 years without setting up my channel, putting which country I'm coming from, tags and stuff. I did it for 2 years and I could not get any engagement. It is still when I set up and optimized my channel, that's when I began seeing results on my channel. And it really helped me because I was able to monetize on my third year. I'm talking about my first channel, not this channel. So after creating videos for 2 years, it's when I realized that I have to set up my channel. And after setting up my channel, I began seeing views on my channel. but I had done a mistake already. I chose a wrong niche. So I ended up quitting that channel because I made a lot of mistakes. I felt like I can no longer go far with that channel according to the mistakes that I realized I made when I was beginning that channel. I'm not saying that quit your channel. No, I'm not saying that. You can still revive your channel if you've made these mistakes. You can still revive your channel because you still have the time. You don't have the audience. You can change everything and begin with that channel. That was my personal decision. If you've not set up your channel, make sure to set up your channel. Check the link in the description, watch that playlist, and set up your channel. Now, the third thing you need to do, even before uploading your first video, and this is the most important thing that you need to do, it is market research. Yes, even before you upload your first video, you need to do a research. Go to the channels that are doing the same niche that you have chosen to make on your channel. For example, I'm going to use cooking. If you choose to make videos about cooking, go to channels, and these channels are your competitor. You have to refer these channels as your competitor. You need to get subs, you need to get audience of these channels, okay? So go to these channels and check their most popular videos. Study their videos, look at their thumbnails, the title, the storytelling, how they made their videos, how they came up with their videos, the way they use the captions on their thumbnail. Look at the entire videos and study it. Reflect the same thing in your content. Note down whatever study from their channels so that when you begin creating your own content, you depend on this. Remember, you're new. No one knows you. Even the algorithm it itself doesn't know you. So you have to use the content that already exists. You have to use the knowledge that already exists on YouTube to make the algorithm pick up your own channel by looking at their titles, their thumbnails, the keywords they use in their descriptions, the tags they use on their channel. I'm not saying that copy and paste, but look and study that channel, all those channels, and then use their videos as a blueprint. Then add in that blueprint your own ideas. Build your own videos depending on their videos or their channel. When you do this, you cannot upload up to 15 videos without the algorithm recommending one video, without the algorithm making one video viral. Now, after studying your competitors, we got the next step, which is uploading. Now that you've got a niche to make videos about, you have created a channel and set it up, you have studied the market, you have studied your competitors, and you have the right knowledge. You have the right kind of videos that you have to create, okay? Now that you have all of this, we go to creating content. Now you can create your first video. When you're creating your first video, after uploading that video, do not share it. Don't share your videos to your friends. Don't share your video to anyone, okay? Don't share that video. Because when you share that video to someone, let me say you're sharing that video to a friend. Let's say I'm your friend. You have shared that video link to my WhatsApp and you're asking me to watch that video for you and subscribe to your channel. Since you're my friend, I'm going to click on the video, like the video, subscribe, and then leave a comment to confirm you that I've watched the video. Because when I leave a comment, you're going to see that I've commented and you're going to be happy with me. But I'm not going to watch that video to the end. For example, if that video is 10 minutes, I'm going to watch for less than 1 minute. Now, when I watch for less than 1 minute, it's going to send a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is not engaging. Even if your video is engaging, remember, you've created a topic that is viral. You've gone to your competitors who are doing well and you copied their ideas. The topic is really engaging, but you made one mistake and shared that video to me, who is not even interested in cooking videos. And because you're my friend, I've clicked on the video, liked the video, commented, but I did not watch the video to the end. Just because I didn't watch the video to the end, it's sending a bad signal to the algorithm. And the algorithm will do what? It's going to bury your video. It's never going to promote your video again. Okay? One mistake like this, the algorithm has buried your video. If you know that you want to grow on YouTube, do not share your videos, even after getting the success. You see my channel right here. I'm having 20K subscribers right now, but ever since I created this channel, I've never invited even my own friends to subscribe to my channel. Do you know why? It is because I know, yes, they are my friends, but they are not interested in my content. This is not the kind of content they want. They are not YouTubers. They're not interested in creating videos. There's no reason to why they should watch my videos. So that's why I don't share my videos to my friends, because they are not YouTubers. They're not going to watch this content. They're not interested in knowing how to grow channels because they don't have channels. You get? So don't share your videos to people because they are your friends, they are your family members, and you expect them to watch. They are not going to watch. That is the truth. Even if they watch your first video that you share, they're not going to watch your next video. If you keep on doing that, it's going to affect your channel retention. It's going to affect your channel growth. You're going to spend years on YouTube without growing just because every time you upload, you share the video to the WhatsApp group, you share the video to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. So leave the video to be watched by the people who are interested in that video. If people have interest in that video, they are going to watch that video to the end. I promise you. You're watching this video up to this far because you have interest in it. But if I share this same video to someone that doesn't have interest in this video, they are not going to watch it up to this far that you've watched it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this if you've not subscribed yet. Check out this video if your problem is subscribers. If you've been trying to get subs, you've done everything to get subs, but you're not getting the subscribers, the 1K subscribers. Check out this video. I explained a trick that can help you to get 1,000 subscribers in only 3 days. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.